In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a draw.io diagram with others so they can edit it in Confluence. This is a handy skill for collaborating on visual projects and ensuring that everyone involved has access to the most up-to-date version of your diagrams. So let's dive right in and explore these simple steps. First things first, head over to the Confluence page where your draw.io diagram is located. If you've just created a new diagram or have an existing one, make sure you're on the correct Confluence page to start the sharing process. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that and it'll open up the sharing menu for you. In the sharing menu, you'll come across a section called General Access. Here you'll need to select Open, which allows others to access the diagram. This is a crucial step if you want to collaborate with others, as it ensures that they can actually view and edit your diagram as needed. Next, it's time to specify exactly who you want to share your diagram with. You can add individual names, groups, or even email addresses of the collaborators who need access. If you're collaborating with a specific team or set of people, make sure you include everyone who needs to be in the loop. Take a moment to double check that you've included all necessary collaborators, as this will streamline your communication and collaboration efforts. Once you've added everyone who needs access, simply click the Share button. This step finalizes the process, giving your selected collaborators the ability to view and edit the draw.io diagram within Confluence. It's as easy as that. Additionally, Confluence provides the option to share a link to the diagram. If you need to send it to someone quickly or want to post it in a chat where everyone can access it easily, just click on the copy link option. You can then paste this link into an email, a chat message, or any other communication tool you prefer for seamless sharing. And that's it. We've covered the straightforward steps to share your draw.io diagram with others in Confluence. This process ensures smooth collaboration and keeps all your team members on the same page, literally and figuratively. Now your team can work together more efficiently, updating and editing the diagram as necessary. Thank you for watching this guide on sharing draw.io diagrams in Confluence. If you found it helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials like this one. Happy collaborating, and until next time.